Imagine this. Two people wake up at the same time every morning. They're the same age. They live in similar environments. They even started with the same financial situation. Every day, both of them work hard. They put in long hours. They stay busy. They feel productive. But 5 years later, one of them is still stuck, living paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed about money. And the other, financially free, earning money even while sleeping, living a completely different life. So what changed? It wasn't luck. It wasn't intelligence. And it definitely wasn't just working harder. The real difference is something most people never think about. Leverage. Most people are raised to believe one simple rule: work harder to earn more. And at first this sounds logical. If you work more hours, you earn more money. If you take extra shifts, you increase your income. But there's a hidden problem with this mindset. Your time is limited. You only have 24 hours in a day. No matter how hardworking you are, you can't go beyond that limit. This means your income is always capped. Think about it. You can work 8 hours, earn X. You can work 10 hours, earn a bit more. But you can't work 100 hours a day. So eventually, you hit a ceiling. And that's why so many hardworking people never become wealthy. Because they are trading time for money, instead of building systems that generate money without their constant presence. Now, let's look at how wealth builders think differently. Instead of asking, how can I work more? They ask, how can I earn more? Without working more? This single shift in thinking changes everything, because now the goal is no longer effort. The goal is multiplication. Wealth builders don't rely only on their own time and energy. They use tools, systems, and strategies to multiply their output. This is what we call leverage. There are 3 main types of leverage that fast wealth builders use. 1. Time leverage. This means using other people's time to grow your income. For example, hiring employees, building a team, outsourcing tasks. Instead of doing everything yourself, you create a system where multiple people are working toward the same goal. So instead of 8 hours of work per day, you now have 80 hours, or even 800 hours, working for you. This is when your money starts working for you. Instead of keeping your money idle, you invest it in assets that grow over time. Examples include stocks, businesses, real estate, digital products. Here's the key idea. Don't just work for money, make money work for you. When done right, your income is no longer tied to your effort. Even if you stop working for a while, your money keeps growing. This is one of the most powerful forms of leverage. Instead of learning low-income skills, wealth builders focus on high-income scalable skills. For example, sales, marketing, copywriting, coding, content creation. These skills allow you to reach thousands or millions of people, solve bigger problems, earn significantly more for the same effort. For instance, a person working a basic job might earn $10 per hour, but someone with a high-income skill can earn $1,000 or even $10,000 from a single project. Same time, completely different results. Most people live in a linear world. They think, if I work twice as hard, I'll earn twice as much. But wealth builders think exponentially. They think, if I build the right system, I can earn 10x, 50x, or even 100x more without increasing my effort. This is why a YouTuber creates one video and earns for years. A business owner builds one product and sells it thousands of times. An investor puts money once and watches it grow over time. The effort is not repeated, but the reward keeps multiplying. Here's where most people go wrong. They stay stuck in the comfort of effort-based thinking. Why? Because it feels safe. You work, you get paid. You stop, money stops. It's predictable. But that predictability is also a trap, because it keeps you stuck in a cycle where no work, no money. Wealth builders break this cycle. They build systems where work once or get paid forever. Let's simplify it. Average mindset. I need a job. I need to work more hours. I need to earn a higher salary. Wealth mindset. I need assets. I need systems. I need leverage. This is the shift that separates those who stay stuck from those who build wealth fast. You remember just one thing from this section. Let it be this. Effort creates income, but leverage creates wealth. You can work hard your entire life and still struggle financially. Or you can learn how to multiply your effort and completely change your future. Next, in part 2, we'll dive into another powerful trait. Why people who build wealth fast are obsessed with delayed gratification, and how controlling your desires can literally multiply your money. Imagine this. You just received your salary. Within minutes, your mind starts racing. I should buy that new phone. Maybe I deserve better clothes. Everyone else is upgrading their lifestyle. Why not me? It feels natural. It feels justified. After all, you worked hard for this money. So why not enjoy it? Now here's the uncomfortable truth. This exact thinking is what keeps most people broke. We live in a world designed to make you spend. Everything around you is built to trigger one emotion: I want this, now! One-click shopping. Same-day delivery. Social media showing luxury lifestyles. Constant comparison with others. Your brain gets addicted to instant rewards. And the more you give in, the harder it becomes to delay gratification. Delayed gratification means choosing long-term rewards over short-term pleasure. It's the ability to say, not now, later. I don't need this today. I'm building something bigger. This sounds simple, but in reality, it's one of the hardest psychological skills to master. There's a famous experiment called the marshmallow test. In this experiment, children were given a choice. Eat one marshmallow now, or wait a few minutes and get 2 marshmallows later. Some kids ate it immediately. Others waited patiently. Years later, researchers found something shocking. The kids who waited tended to be more successful in life. Better careers, better finances, better decision-making. Why? Because they developed the ability to control their impulses. Now let's connect this to money. Average mindset. I earned it. I should spend it. Wealth mindset. I earned it. How can I grow it? This one shift changes everything. Instead of spending money for temporary happiness, wealth builders use money as a tool for multiplication. Let's say you have $1,000. You have 2 choices. Option 1, instant gratification. Buy a new phone. Upgrade your lifestyle. Feel good for a few weeks. But after that, the excitement fades and the money is gone. Invest that $1,000. Learn a new skill. Start a small business. At first, it feels uncomfortable. You don't get instant pleasure. You don't get social validation. But over time, that $1,000 can turn into $5,000, $10,000, or even more. Same money, different mindset, completely different future. Delayed gratification is powerful because of one concept, compounding. When you delay spending and invest instead, your money doesn't just grow once. It grows and then grows on top of that growth. For example, you invest $1,000, it grows to $2,000, then $4,000, then $8,000. Over time, the growth becomes exponential. But here's the catch. Compounding only works if you give it time, and that requires patience. Most people don't fail because they don't earn enough. They fail because they can't control their desires. They chase status, attention, validation. They want to look rich instead of actually becoming rich. So they buy expensive things too early, upgrade their lifestyle too fast, spend money to impress others. And in doing so, they destroy their future wealth. People who build wealth fast are extremely disciplined in one area. They control their spending, not because they are cheap, but because they are strategic. They ask themselves, do I really need this? Will this help me grow? Am I buying this for value or for validation? This level of awareness protects them from impulsive decisions.